This is Brookings Mayor Keith Corbett, and with me,
I'm Paul Briseno, the City Manager for the City of Brookings.
okay, the reason we're sharing this video is because we want to bring an update to the City of Brookings on action that the City Council took tonight.
So the City Council took action on an ordinance restricting various businesses within the community, mainly social businesses, in the hopes of reducing the overall impact of the coronavirus here in Brookings as a community. Specifically, these social businesses often have a lot of congregation occurring, and the effort that we've been seeing through the CDC is to curb any groups of 10 or more. So in an effort to go ahead and do that here locally, the City Council took action tonight on this ordinance.
The ordinance goes into effect tonight at 7 p.m. following the meeting, and it'll be in effect until April 8th, which is 60 days, and at that time it'll expire unless the council takes further action to extend it.
That's correct. April 7th, the City Council will have an opportunity if they want to renew it for an extended period of time. They can do so with a simple resolution. As the Mayor noted, the ordinance is in effect for 60 days, but they have the ability to go intermediately between various council meetings.
This will affect restaurants, food services, coffee houses, bars, breweries, clubs, cafes, basically places that offer food and beverages for on-site consumption. One of the concerns we have is that because of the gatherings that happen in those on-site, that the businesses that have food will still be able to have drive-up service or curbside service or whatever they want, takeout service basically.
So this ordinance specifically does call out recreational facilities, public pools, health clubs, athletic facilities, theaters, and music and entertainment venues. And they are directed to close and cease operations effective this evening until April 8th.
Cigar bars, vaping lounges, etc. will cease on-site consumption, but they're still able to continue offering their products to the public.
This ordinance, when it does go into effect tonight, also affects arcades, bingo halls, bowling alleys, indoor golf ranges, casinos, indoor climbing facilities, skating rinks, and other similar recreational entertainment facilities. So though this ordinance that was put in place does limit the business on site, we are recommending that residents still continue to use these businesses and maximize the takeout opportunities to delivery, as well as curb and drive-through services that many of these businesses have adapted to within Brookings. So within this ordinance, it does also outline a number of businesses that are not affected by this law. These include various retail establishments that offer food and beverage off-site consumption, markets, retail stores that offer food, convenience stores, pharmacies and drug stores, food pantries, and any portion of such business in which offer on-site consumption, which would be subject to the requirements noted earlier. Additionally, it would still also allow hardware and supply stores and room service within hotels as well.
Okay, healthcare facilities and residential care facilities that are not affected by this ordinance.
Other businesses that won't be affected by this ordinance will include emergency facilities that are needed for this response, public health emergency facilities, or other community emergency disaster facilities. Other items include official meetings of the city, school, county, or state, and operations and meetings of the state or federal courts as well. Okay.
Well, the people of Brookings, we're in this together. Take care of each other, avoid large crowds, 10 or more, and above all, keep checking on your neighbors and people you might not see, calling them, talking through the door, whatever it takes. Let's just check on each other. By taking this action early, we're going to guarantee that we will level that curve out for the coronavirus.
Within the city of Brookings, we appreciate our local business owners and the effort that they put in, day out, making Brookings what it is. We know that these measures are very difficult, and we appreciate the measures that they've taken before and these measures that we'll be taking now, and that together we'll come out ahead in the long run as a community. And I just ask residents to continue to support our local businesses throughout this effort.